South Korean tech giant Samsung is going to hit the market with an all-new series of Galaxy S lineups. They've announced that there are new 2020 powerful flagship phones, which are the Galaxy S20, the Galaxy S20 Plus, and the Galaxy S20 Ultra. The most exciting feature of these flagship phones is that they support 5G. These products are expected to hit the market on March 6th. Never worry, Samsung starts the pre-order from February 21st onwards. So all the smartphone enthusiasts are not going to miss out on the chance to grab one, and you'll never meet with the out of stock issue. Now, without any further delay, let's see all the features and specifications of each phone. As always, stay tuned with our channel to get more details about the latest products that hit the market. Among the three, let's begin with the Samsung Galaxy S20. This smartphone comes with a 6.20-inch Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with up to 120Hz refresh rate supported. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified and has a pixel density of 563 ppi. It is powered by a 2 GHz octa-core Samsung Exynos 990 processor, in which 2 cores are clocked at 2.73 GHz, 2 cores clocked at 2.5 GHz, and 4 cores clocked at 2 GHz. Plus, it is equipped with an 8 GB of RAM, and it runs on One UI 2.0 based on Android 10 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via micro SD card up to 1000 GB. It has a 4000 mAh non-removable battery with 25-watt fast charging support, and it features an IP68 rating for dust and water protection. Talking about the camera, the Galaxy S20 comes with the triple camera setup. It consists of a 64-megapixel telephoto with f2.0 aperture, 12-megapixel wide angle with f1.8 aperture, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide with f2.2 aperture. There is a 3x hybrid optical zoom and digital zoom. On the front, there is a selfie camera of 10 megapixel with an aperture of f2.2. Connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy S20 include Wi-Fi 802.11 A, B, G, N, AC, Yes, GPS, Bluetooth, V5.0, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G and 4G with active 5G on both SIM cards. Sensors on the phone include an accelerometer, an ambient light sensor, barometer, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and an in-display fingerprint sensor and support face unlock. Additionally, this device will be available in gray, blue, and pink colors. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus comes with a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with up to 120Hz refresh rate supported, and the screen is HDR10 Plus certified with a pixel density of 525 ppi. This device comes with 2 GB of RAM and storage options 8 GB, 12 GB, and 12 GB/512 GB. Both the variants offer up to 1 TB of micro SD cards. As far as the cameras are concerned, it comes with a quad setup at the back, and it consists of a 64-megapixel telephoto with f2.0 aperture, 12-megapixel wide angle with f1.8 aperture, 12-megapixel ultra-wide with f2.2 aperture, and a depth sensor. There is a 3x hybrid optical zoom and the digital zoom of up to 30 times. It measures 161.9mm by 73.7mm by 7.8mm, and it weighs 188 grams. On the front, buyers get a 10-megapixel with an f2.2 aperture primary camera. It runs One UI 2.0 based on Android 10, and it packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card all the way up to 1000 GB. Also, it supports wireless charging, as well as proprietary fast charging, and it has a dual SIM that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. However, it also features an IP68 rating for dust and water protection. The connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus include Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/yes, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.0, NFC, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi Direct, 3G, 4G, and 5G. Sensors on the phone include an accelerometer, an ambient light sensor, barometer, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, in-display fingerprint sensor, and a proximity sensor. This device will be available in gray, blue, and pink colors. Now let's talk about the beast among the Galaxy 20 series, which is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. This smartphone comes with a 6.90-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. It is powered by a 2 GHz octa-core Samsung Exynos 990 processor. It features 2 cores clocked at 2.73 GHz, 2 cores clocked at 2.5 GHz, and 4 cores clocked at 2 GHz. This phone runs One UI 2.0 based on Android 10 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card up to 1000 GB. Plus, it has a massive 5000 mAh non-removable battery, and it supports wireless charging as well as proprietary fast charging technology. As far as the cameras are concerned, on the rear it packs a 108 megapixel primary camera with an f/1.8 aperture, a second 48 megapixel camera with an f/3.5 aperture, and a third 12 megapixel camera with an f/2.2 aperture. There is a 10 times hybrid optical zoom and digital zoom of up to 100 times. Besides, it sports a 40 megapixel camera on the front for selfies with an f/2.2 aperture, and both the front camera and the rear camera feature autofocus. The connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G include Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac, yes, GPS, Bluetooth V5.0, NFC, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi Direct, 3G, 4G, and 5G. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, barometer, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, in-display fingerprint sensor, and a proximity sensor. This device will be available only in gray and black colors. Moreover, it features an IP68 rating for dust and water protection. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about any of the other products to review, make sure you check out TechMag. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.